This is my final Labview project for ENGR267 at OIT, and this is a function generator and an oscilloscope that I modeled after an old 1960s all vacuum tube based oscilloscope. So the function generator here generates two simultaneous waveforms that are summed and applied to the input of the oscilloscope. So we have only one waveform selected right now. We can select sine, triangle, square, sawtooth, DC, Gaussian noise, and uniform noise. And we'll apply a second sine wave at a slightly different frequency here. And on the oscilloscope, I implemented a tracking feature that lets you adjust the threshold voltage for triggering. So we can adjust this so we get a pretty stable waveform. Sync selector, internal and external. There's an input to allow an external index to the waveform array that you can trigger off of. There's a coarse frequency knob, a vernier or fine frequency knob, a voltage attenuation, and a voltage gain knob. We can see on the supplemental window we have the seconds per division shown, volts per division as defined by the voltage and sweep frequency adjust. We also have the voltage offset and time offset that are controlled from these front panel controls, some voltage statistics, an FFT, and I added a focus which actually just changes the line weight of the graph, and an intensity which changes the color property to make it seem like the line is getting dimmer on the graph.